Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of a square plus b square plus c square, where a square b is equal to 18, b square c is equal to 16 and c square a is equal to 48. Let's call it as equation number 1, it as equation number 2 and it as equation number 3. From equation 1 we have a square b is equal to 18, or taking a square to both sides we can write a to the power 4 b square is equal to 18 square, or divided both sides by equation 2 we will have a to the power 4 b square over the left side of equation 2 is b square c is equal to 18 square over the value of b square c from equation 2 is 16, or this b square and b square will cancel out, so it will remain a to the power 4 over c is equal to 18 square over 16, or again taking a square to both sides we will have a to the power 4 times 2 is 8 over c square is equal to 18 to the power 4 over 16 square, or now multiplying the numerator and denominator by a we can write a to the power 8 times a is a to the power 9 over c square a is equal to 18 to the power 4 over 16 square, or a to the power 9 over, from equation 3 the value of c square a is 48, so substituting this value here we can write c square a as 48 is equal to 18 to the power 4 over 16 square, or multiplying both sides by 48 we can write a to the power 9 is equal to 18 to the power 4 over 16 square times 48, or a to the power 9 is equal to 18 can be written as 2 times 3 square whole to the power 4 over 16 is 2 to the power 4 whole to the power 2 times 48 can be written as 3 times 2 to the power 4, or a to the power 9 is equal to 2 to the power 4 times 3 to the power 2 times 4 is 8 over 2 to the power 4 times 2 is 8 times 3 times 2 to the power 4, or a to the power 9 is equal to 2 to the power 4 plus 4 minus 8. So we can write 4 plus 4 minus 8 times 3 to the power 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1, or a to the power 9 is equal to 2 to the power 4 plus 4 is 8 minus 8 is 0 times 3 to the power 8 plus 1 is 9. or a to the power 9 is equal to 2 to the power 0 is 1 times 3 to the power 9 is 3 to the power 9. Now comparing both sides, we can write the value of a is equal to 3. Now from equation 1 we have a square b is equal to 18, or substituting the value of a is 3, we can write 3 square times b is equal to 18, or 3 square is 9 times b is 9b is equal to 18, or divided both side by 9, we can write b is equal to 18 over 9. So the value of b is equal to 18 over 9 is 2. Again, from equation 2 we have b square c is equal to 16, or substituting the value of b is equal to 2, we can write 2 square times c is equal to 16, or 2 square is 4 times c is 4c is equal to 16, or divided both sides by 4, we can write c is equal to 16 over 4. So the value of c is equal to 16 over 4 is 4. Now the value of a square plus b square plus c square is, the value of a is 3. So substituting here, we can write 3 square plus the value of b is 2. So we have 2 square plus the value of c is 4. So 4 square is equal to 3 square is 9 plus 2 square is 4 plus 4 square is 16 is equal to 9 plus 4 is 13 plus 16 is 29. So the value of a square plus b square plus c square is 29. So this is the solution of this problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.